Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A1K, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to begin the process, well, you'll need a SIM eject tool, which I have one not really, this is a paper clip, but they come provided in a box so you can get it from there. But if you don't have it or can't find it, whatever, you can always use something like this. Just straighten out the paper clip and use one of the ends that is straight to push out the tray that is located on the left upper side of the phone, so right here, as you can see where it's holding. So then push it in and you'll see that the tray pops out. You can take out the entire tray, and from here you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So I'm gonna begin with the SD card. Just simply lay it like so, and the SIM card also with the writing towards you, and the cutout on the SIM is right here. It's going to be located on the bottom right corner, so like this. And then you want to hold it securely so it doesn't fall out, while sliding it back into the device. Now the device will, I think, lock right now because there's a pin. So let me just put in the pin for the SIM card, and SD card can be managed, whatever, cool. So as you can see, both of them are working. So the SIM card and SD card are both working fine. And that is how you would insert it. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.